If your country is cracking down on protests, it's time to pay attention. The Southern African Development Community, or SADC, will be holding its summit in August, and the spotlight is on Zimbabwe. Activists have planned anti-Mnangagwa protests, demanding accountability and transparency from the Zimbabwean government. Especially the 2023 harmonised elections, since SADC just carried a SEOM report but could not call up the fresh elections. Back in July 2020, Zimbabwe faced heavy criticism for its harsh crackdown on peaceful protests. Prominent figures like journalist Hopewell Chin-Ono and political leader Jacob Ngarivume were arrested for exposing corruption. Fast forward to now, the atmosphere is charged with anticipation and concern. President Ramaphosa and SADC are under immense pressure to address these human rights issues and ensure that the voices of Zimbabwean citizens are heard. Will SADC take a firm stand and push for reforms? Or will history repeat itself with silence and oppression? As the August summit approaches, the world is watching. Stay tuned for more updates on this critical issue.